Is your kitchen stuck in the past? Say goodbye to boring tools and hello to gadgets that actually make life easier. Let's check out the genius kitchen tools that are changing the game, one clever design at a time. Rose Ice Cube Mold Chill with Charm. This mold makes ice cubes shaped like delicate roses, fancy and fun. Great for cocktails, iced coffee, or flower power parties. Pretty cool, right? Gravy boat, no drips. All elegance. This classic gravy boat pours smooth and looks great on the table. Perfect for sauces, dressings, and of course, gravy. Fancy meets functional. Buffet dishes. Serve like a pro, even at home. These buffet dishes keep food warm and presentation sharp for any gathering. Durable, organized, and easy to refill. Your hosting game? Elevated. 3-tier glass cake stand dessert display? Nailed it. This elegant 3-tier stand shows off cupcakes, pastries, and finger foods like a pro. Clear glass, timeless look, because your sweets deserve the spotlight. Stacked and stunning. Lollipop ice cream mold. Fun on a stick, literally. Pour your mix, freeze it, and pop out perfect lollipop-shaped ice creams. Great for kids, parties, and Instagram. Cold treats, hot style. Strainer scoop. Colander scoop, strain, serve, without dirtying a bowl. This handheld colander grabs veggies, pasta, or fried food straight from the pot. Heat-resistant and fast-draining, it's your kitchen's new MVP. One tool, endless scoops. Twist Whisk smarter, not harder. This twist whisk flattens for storage and fluffs up for mixing, just like magic. From pancakes to scrambled eggs, it stirs like a dream. Compact, clever, a drawer-friendly hero. Pizza spatula, sliding pizza peel. Your pizza deserves a grand entrance. This sliding peel lifts and serves like a pro. No flops, no burns, no stress. Thin edge, sturdy grip, and oven-to-plate perfection in one swift move. Your homemade pizza just leveled up. Glass spice jars, tired of the spice avalanche? These clear glass jars show off your seasonings while keeping them sealed and fresh. Labels included, so cumin and cinnamon never swap places again. Pretty, practical, pantry goals. Lattice pastry roller. Lattice pies without the fuss? Yes, please. Roll this over your dough and get perfect pastry patterns in seconds. No cutting, no weaving, just instant wow factor. Lazy Susan Appetizer server spin, snack, repeat. This rotating server keeps dips, cheeses, and bites right within reach. Great for game day or fancy brunches. It's a crowd pleaser on a swivel. Sharing just got stylish. Cupcake Maker. No oven, no problem. This compact cupcake maker bakes mini treats in minutes without heating up the kitchen. Perfect for parties, cravings, or spontaneous sweetness. Plug in, pour, pop out perfection. Beverage Dispenser with Faucet hydration station coming through. This clear dispenser makes serving lemonade, punch, or infused water a breeze. Built-in faucet equals no spills, no lifting, just smooth sipping. Chill, serve, impress. Seasoning Injector Kit flavor on the inside? That's the secret. This Injector Kit gets marinades deep into meats for juicy, mouth-watering bites. Easy to use, easy to clean, and totally BBQ worthy. Don't just season, infuse. Cheese melter melt, pour, devour. This tool brings restaurant-style cheese melts to your homemade nachos, burgers, and more. Fast heating, no microwave mess. Say hello to gooey greatness. Butter Crock Bell, soft butter, anytime. This classic crock keeps butter fresh and spreadable. No fridge, no hassle. Just add water to the base and enjoy the old school charm. Perfect toast starts here. Pickle Jar with strainer. No more fishing for pickles. This smart jar has a built-in strainer. Lift and drain in one smooth move. Great for olives, jalapenos, and all your brainy favorites. Crunchy snacks, zero mess. Soup kettle server. Keep it hot, ladle it easy. This soup kettle keeps stews, broths, and chili piping hot and ready to serve. Perfect for parties, potlucks, and cozy nights in. Warm vibes, no stovetop needed. Electric hot pot dinner just got way more fun. This electric hot pot lets you boil, simmer, and cook right at the table. Great for noodles, soups, or DIY hot pot nights. Plug in, gather round, and dig in. Serving platter big dish, big impression. This wide, elegant platter handles main courses, snacks, or charcuterie spreads in style. Sleek, sturdy, and always party ready. Set it down and let it shine. Drink dispenser, sip smarter. This clear dispenser with a tap serves lemonade, iced tea, or punch with zero fuss. Built for brunches, barbecues, and easy refills. Just pour and enjoy. Squeeze bottles for sauces. Precision in a squeeze. These bottles keep sauces, oils, and condiments tidy and ready to go. Mess-free meals and Instagram-worthy plating? Yes, please drizzle like a chef. Steel egg ring mold breakfast, but make it perfect. These stainless steel egg rings keep eggs and pancakes neat and round. No leaks, no weird shapes, just tidy stacks every time. Brunch goals unlocked. Silicone drink coasters sip, set, no stains. These flexible, non-slip coasters protect surfaces while adding a pop of style. Waterproof, heat-resistant, and easy to clean. Because your table deserves better. Silicone food storage bag. Buy plastic waste. These reusable silicone bags seal tight and store snacks, leftovers, or even soups. Fridge, freezer, microwave, you name it. Smart, safe, and seriously sustainable. Dish scrubber. Scrub smarter, not harder. This tough little tool tackles grease, grime, and stuck-on messes with ease. Ergonomic grip, long-lasting bristles. Dish duty just got way less dreadful. Shaved ice machine snow cones on demand? Yes, please. This shaved ice machine turns plain ice into fluffy, frosty goodness. Perfect for hot days, parties, and DIY dessert bars. Cool treats made cooler. Folding cutting board. Cut, fold, pour, done. This smart board folds up to funnel chopped veggies straight into your pot. Less mess, less waste, and totally space-saving. Reusable popsicle mold. Frozen fun without the fuss. These molds let you make fruity, creamy, or even fizzy pops at home. Eco-friendly, easy to clean, and kid-approved. Chill your way. Kitchen torch. Bring the flame. This mini torch caramelizes, sears, and toasts like a pro. Creme brulee? Done. Melted cheese? Even better. Tiny tool. Big flavor. Bamboo trivet hot pans, meet your match. This natural bamboo trivet protects your counters and looks great doing it. Lightweight, durable, and totally heat resistant. Simple, smart, and sustainable. Electric steamer. Steam your way to healthier meals. This electric steamer cooks veggies, dumplings, and more, fast and evenly. Stackable trays, no oil needed. Clean eating made easy. Ice cream roll maker plate, roll into dessert magic. Pour, spread, scrape, and voila. Ice cream rolls right at home. Fun to make, even more fun to eat. Sweet creativity served cold. Cake decorative pen. Write it, swirl it, style it. This decorating pen gives you precision for cakes, cookies, and everything sweet. Control the flow and let your dessert art shine. Your frosting just found its voice. Cake cutter slice evenly, serve neatly. This cake cutter makes perfect, mess-free cuts with zero crumbling. No knives, no guesswork, just clean layers every time. Ready to upgrade your kitchen with tools that work smarter and look cooler? Tell us which one was your favorite in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe Things from Mars and hit K-Bell icon so you never miss a smart kitchen hack again.